Hey, so it's March 10th and we're in the middle of a 50-knot blow.
Woohoo!
Here in Boot Key Harbor. Let's take a look. The guy you see over here to the right, it's our friend Kevin. He just dragged and ran aground. Over here, this guy, he's dragged and ran aground. And we just reset our anchor 30 seconds to a minute before the cold front hit, and it hit so fast it was like a turn on the light. So now we're just hanging out in the boat trying to see if other boats are gonna drag down onto us.
Well, I feel like we're moving backwards. Like maybe we're...
Well, I've got a range over here. Checking my range. We're good. We have not moved since we set our anchor.
Thank God!
Okay, so this is We Happy until next time.